Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Israil. I have had a fever for 3 days, even though I don't want to leave my practice because practice only will make you perfect, nobody will make you perfect. Okay, guys, so today I want to talk about love marriage versus arranged marriage. Guys, first I would like to speak in the love marriage that when the couple understand each other, known each other, believe each other, okay, and before going to get married, they talk each other, okay. Uh, it is called, guys, love marriage. Love marriage means, यू नो एक जवान लड़की से बुढ़ा से प्यार हो सकता है और बुढ़ा को एक जवान लड़की से प्यार हो सकता है बिकॉज आई हैव सीन ओके lots of girl who got married okay the age of 40 and 45 I have seen, and it is going on in the world, guys, not in India, guys. So, guys, what happens in love marriage? Sometimes our parents does not expect love marriage, but at the moment, at that time, we have to persuade our parents that we have to tell that mom, dad, that I have a one boy and I want to get married, and that he is very good and he has a good job. And if I say about arranged marriage, see, arranged marriage means you know when the parents is decided, okay, arranged marriage, the couple doesn't know each other, even though the boy, what can I say here is that the parents get her son and daughter, love marriage, guys. Okay, they are not happy to get a arranged marriage, even though just because of the force, uh, they got married, they get married. Okay, guys. So I'm saying you one thing that actually first before going to arrange marriage, we have to talk our parents. We have to make understand our parents that I'm agree, but I want to see the boy whom I'm going to get married. Okay, guys. So it is called, guys, arranged marriage. Okay. So thank you so much for watching my whole video. Okay, guys.